In this video of Docker series, we are going to talk about Docker architecture. Docker contains three main components: Docker client, Docker daemon, registry. Docker clients communicates with Docker daemon, and the Docker daemon does the heavy lifting job creating, running and distributing the containers. Docker client can also talk with the remote Docker daemon, and the Docker daemon can talk with other Docker daemon. So when we give some commands from Docker client to Docker daemon through REST API, Docker daemon is going to create any containers. Now, Docker daemon can also use to build the image and store in the registry. So from registry, any developers can pull the image and work on that application. When we use Docker, we have to create containers, image, volume, and network. In this video, I'm going to talk about containers and image, and I will talk about volumes and network in upcoming videos. Before understanding containers and image in Docker terminology, let's understand first with layman's term. For example, we have a refrigerator. Inside this refrigerator, we have 3 juice bottles. Now, each juice bottles contains juice of different flavor. So, let's assume the refrigerator is a Docker, and each juice bottle is a container. Now, the juice is an application. To create this juice, we required a recipe. So that recipe is an image. So the juice is isolated by the bottles. Let's understand containers and image in Docker terminology. So the image is like a template with instruction for creating any containers. And the container is like an isolated environment which going to run the application. Now, whatever the dependency which is required to run the application is provided by these images only. In next video, we are going to do some exercise like how to create containers and image through commands.